Axinom On-Board Cloud is the modular platform that brings the power of the cloud to aerospace and other mobility vessels, simplifying the management of the smart cabin services and content delivery. With Axinom On-Board Cloud, you have an easy-to-use centralized ground management system for ingesting content and services. Hardware agnostic, meant to work with any provider. In the centralized hub, you can ingest content and applications, insert metadata, and target it to a fleet. With a few clicks, you can update the data in a specific fleet or aircraft. Depending on your needs, you can sync the data on ground with 5G or Wi-Fi at the gate, or while having the aircraft in the air with satellite or air-to-ground connectivity. Axinom On-Board Cloud will assure a safe and automated deployment of containerized apps and services, easily manage entertainment, smart trolleys or any other software that you would like to have on board to control the aircraft. If you would like to know more about our solutions, let's have a chat. Book the meeting by clicking the button down below. This was Oleg, Chief Solution Architect at Axinom.